I'm going to explain translation. In translation, only the location change. Hey, you are watching, this is one location, this is another location. So, this here to there, what is the change of x? X means this line, y means this line. So, x means, okay, 1, 2, wow. So, x is equal to 2. And what is the y? This is the x and this is y. Y, 1, 2. Oh, so y is equal to 2. Okay, but actually I haven't drawn the object. This is suppose object. This is the object. Okay, and this is the object. This is the object. Am I clear? So this is x, 2 step right, 2 step up. So this is the new location, and this is called translation. Another translation I'm giving. Oh, so what is this? This is A. So this is A prime. This is B. This is called B prime. This is called C. And this is called C prime. Again, this A prime, B prime, C prime is the translation of this. This is object. This is an image. Clear? This is object. This is image. So if you translate second time, hey, this, okay, so suppose this one. I don't have a space. Okay, I'm making a space. I'm making further world, no problem. So if you translate this one here, suppose jump here to there. Okay, do I have a space? Yes, I have a space. Okay, suppose jumping here, no more. Baba, this is jumping here to there. Okay, but why two? I'm making more, okay? Suppose jumping here to there. So how many step right? Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 4, right? So x will be, what should I write? So x will be 4. 1, this is not countable. This is countable. 1, 2, 3, 4. X is equal to 4. So what is y? Y mean here to there. Hey, at the time of counting x, this line will be used. At the time of counting y, this line will be used. Oh, here to there, right? So only 1. Here to here mean 1. So y will be 1. So this is object, this is translation, and this is again object. This is also translation. Am I clear? This is object, this is translated image, this is object, this is also translated image. In translation, only location counted. This is x, x means this change, and this is y, y means this change. Okay, thank you.